Hi everyone, I'm Laura McMeeking, your Usborne Books and More independent consultant, and I am here today to introduce to you a new segment that I'm putting together for my business page that I'm calling Fangirl Friday. I'm planning on posting videos on most Fridays where I go through some of my very favorite Usborne and Kane Miller books. But since I haven't posted a video on here before, and some of you may not know me, I would like to introduce myself a little bit more. In addition to being an Usborne Books and More independent consultant, I'm also a wife and a mom and definitely an avid reader. But what you might not know is that I'm a science education researcher and an atmospheric scientist. So for those of you who do know me, and for those of you who don't, it will probably come as no shock to you that my very favorite Usborne book right now is the Usborne flat book, Sea Inside, Weather and Climate. And you can see this is a beautiful book. The colors, the graphics, the text is all just absolutely amazing. When you start to go through here, you start seeing all of the graphics and the text, and you can see that there are these flaps. There are over 100 flaps in this book, and as you start to read some of the text on the main page and look at the images on the main page, you can dig deeper by opening those flaps up. So this one says, warm air is lighter than cool air, so it rises up. And you see a picture of a person parasailing, and it says, colder air rushes in to take its place, and that creates wind. So that happens all over this book. We talk about world climates, water and clouds, sun and air, wild winds, icy extremes, and it ends on changing climates, where it's talking about how climate changes over time. And because some of the terms in here are introduced as new vocabulary throughout the book, if you don't know what some of these terms mean and you don't know where to go to find them, Usborne is awesome, and they have put together this glossary of weather words. So for example, if you came across the term troposphere and you didn't know what that meant, you could look back here and know that, oh, the troposphere is the layer of the atmosphere where weather happens. So the back is also amazing. This is just a wonderful book. We got it in the mail a couple of weeks ago, and my girls have literally asked me to read this to them every single day. They love lifting the flaps. They love learning new things. My older daughter was actually talking to me the other day about climate zones, which just absolutely amazed me. She's 5. So I'm super excited about this book. I highly encourage you to go check it out. And that's Usborne Flat Book, Sea Inside, Weather and Climate.